Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to add your payments details in Clickworker. So if you're earning money on Clickworker, you need to add your payment details to get paid. So let us begin. Step number 1, log in into your Clickworker account. Firstly, of course, on their official website. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, select payment details from the drop-down menu. After that, step number 2, choose your payments method. Clickworker offers two main options for payments, which is PayPal and SEPA bank transfer. Select your preferred option. Step number 3, enter payments information. For PayPal, enter your PayPal email address and confirm. For SEPA transfer, provide your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code. Then save and verify. Click save after entering your details. If using PayPal, ensure email is verified with Clickworker. For bank transfers, check if SEPA payments are available in your country. After that, Clickworker may take a few days to verify your payment details. Once confirmed, you'll start receiving payments according to their payout schedule. And that's it. Your Clickworker payments details are now set up and you're ready to receive payments. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.